Georgian Students for Liberty, Region, Europe. Georgian Students for Liberty built on their impressive reputation, organizing 3 regional conferences, 8 in-depth schools, and 41 local events. One notable event, Technology, State, and Individual, nominated for Event of the Year, brought together 86 attendees from Georgia, Armenia, and Azerbaijan. The Tbilisi Regional Conference later in the year received 406 applications, with 130 students selected to attend. Georgian SFL also hosted the Ayn Rand Conference, bringing together 110 attendees at a cost of only $250. And the team's dedication to recording Learn Liberty videos at the Russian border garnered significant attention. But perhaps their most impactful contribution came in early March 2023 when Georgian Students for Liberty took to the streets to oppose a Russia-inspired proposed law. This controversial bill threatened the nation's aspirations for stronger European bonds. Undeterred, the students faced off against a brutal police force, enduring tear gas, water cannons, and excessive pepper spray. They not only protested, but also provided support to fellow demonstrators and distributed SFL-branded protest materials, resulting in the withdrawal of the proposed law. Es Libertad, Argentina. Region, Es Libertad. In recent years, Es Libertad Argentina has faced a series of pre-existing challenges, including some of the world's lengthiest and most stringent COVID-19 restrictions, political upheaval that divided the youth along partisan lines, and a deteriorating economic crisis that discouraged young people from participating in volunteer programs. Into that void stepped Es Libertad Argentina with strong and determined leadership. Its resolute leaders took deliberate steps to rejuvenate Argentina's pro-liberty network, transforming it into a consistently high-performing entity marked by steady improvement and progress. They hosted multiple LibertyCon events and initiated a long-anticipated expansion into provinces beyond the capital, nurturing the growth of top leaders throughout the region. Perhaps most notably, SFL Argentina can count Javier Milei, the newly elected president of Argentina, as an ally. He has regularly been spotted wearing a Students for Liberty pin. The accomplishments of the Argentine group are not only promising, but also serve as a testament to the resilience and determination of Es Libertad groups in the face of challenging times. They have exemplified effective leadership and unwavering commitment as the Argentina group turned adversity into opportunities for growth and success. SFL Peshawar, Pakistan. Region, South Asia. A small but determined group, SFL Peshawar has emerged as a shining example of grassroots activism and fundraising for liberty. SFL Peshawar, with its commitment to fostering freedom in a region near Taliban-ruled Afghanistan, has organized more than 30 events with more than 650 participants. SFL Peshawar has also produced 3 Prometheus Fellows. The group's successful organization of the KP Business Plan competition was a major highlight. This Shark Tank-like competition, hosted by the national influencers in partnership with SFL Pakistan, provided a unique opportunity for aspiring student entrepreneurs to showcase their innovative ideas and receive valuable feedback from industry experts. All 3 winning teams from its first leg have already established sustainable business entities in Peshawar. The group's efforts have played a pivotal role in spreading awareness and empowering individuals to embrace personal freedom, free markets, and limited government. As a direct result of their successful media outreach, South Asia SFL received more than 330 applications to the Local Coordinator Program 2023.